Hydrogen peroxide is familiar as a household disinfectant and bleaching agent. Most people don't know that hydrogen peroxide can help you grow a beautiful garden. It has different benefits and applications for every phase of growing, because of its antimicrobial and oxygen-generating properties. Here are 8 ways to use hydrogen peroxide in the garden. 8. Sanitize seeds. Soak new seeds in 3% hydrogen peroxide, heated to 140 F for 5 minutes. After heating, rinse off the seeds under running water for a minute. This can prevent contamination from foodborne illnesses caused by Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. 7. Accelerate seed germination. Once you've placed your disinfected seeds in the growing material, they're ready to sprout or germinate. Add the same 3% mixture to the soil while sowing the seeds. The extra oxygen can promote faster germination and overall health. It can also minimize the risk of fungal or bacterial infections. 6. Fertilize with hydrogen peroxide. Mix 2 teaspoons hydrogen per gallon of water for plant food. Spray or pour onto your potted plants and garden every 3-5 days or as necessary. This can help maintain healthy soil, allow roots to breathe, and plants to take up vital nutrients. 5. Treat fungal infections. Combine 4 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a pint of water in a spray bottle. Spray this on the leaves and root structures of plants that show signs of fungal infections. These include powdery mildew, rust, and mold. Spray on a small area before applying more generously to larger scale surfaces. This can prevent chemical burn on your plant tissues. 4. Kill weeds. Pour a 10% hydrogen peroxide solution on weeds growing between concrete, flagstone pavers, or brick. Leave the peroxide on the plants to scorch them, and then remove the weeds by hand. This can kill any existing weeds in your garden, and may prevent them from returning. It's also a natural weed killer that doesn't use chemicals. 3. Repel insects. Combine 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide to 8 ounces of water if your plants are infested by pests. This can dramatically reduce the number of insects in your garden. It can also kill the eggs and larvae of moths and other harmful pests. 2. Clean pots and tools. Spray or wipe a 6% to 9% peroxide solution onto pots or tools you are reusing. You can also dip tools into the solution while you're pruning plants. This can disinfect these items and reduce the risk of contamination from other plants or pathogens. 1. Sanitize hydroponic water. Hydroponic plants, which are grown in water, often fall prey to bacteria, root rot, and lack of oxygen. Add 2.5 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide to each liter of hydroponic water. This can kill bacteria and fungi, prevent root rot, and stimulate oxygen circulation. In turn, your hydroponics may flourish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.